Yes, offering septic services can be a smart move if you're already in plumbing, excavation, or home services, because septic systems are something almost every rural or suburban homeowner eventually needs help with, and there just aren't enough qualified people doing it. Here's something a lot of folks don't realize: a septic system isn't just a tank. It's actually a small underground treatment plant made up of a tank, a distribution box, and a drain field, and each part fails in different ways for different reasons. Most homeowners have no idea their tank even needs pumping every 3 to 5 years. So when you offer inspections, pumping, and simple maintenance plans, you're filling a huge knowledge gap and building trust fast. The real money isn't always in the messy pump outs, it's in inspections for home sales, permit work, and small repairs, like replacing a broken baffle or fixing a clogged distribution box. One lesser-known fact is that many counties require a licensed septic inspection before a house can legally be sold, which means partnering with real estate agents can bring you steady, repeat business. Getting certified and licensed for septic work, which varies by state, opens the door to higher-paying jobs that most general contractors won't touch. One big mistake people make is assuming septic work is just digging and pumping, when really it involves understanding soil types, water tables, and local health department rules. So take the time to get properly trained before advertising these services. Another common misconception is that septic systems are old technology and dying out, but millions of homes still rely on them, and that number isn't shrinking anytime soon. So the demand is very real and often overlooked by other contractors. A lot of new providers also underprice their work because they don't factor in equipment costs like vacuum trucks or camera inspection tools, so make sure your pricing covers both labor and the specialized gear this trade requires. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message back with their estimates.